Chronic ear infections can be troubling, but this novel device helps you manage your own treatment right at home. Your doctor has ordered a custom-made ear powder for your infection, and you will use this otic or ear insufflator to easily place the powder into the ear canal. Let us show you how it works. First, remove the applicator tip and set it aside. Pick up the capsule with the medication in it and remove the short end of the capsule by gently pulling and twisting. You may discard this piece of the capsule. Insert the capsule with the open end facing the bulb, and hold that in place with your finger as you put the applicator tip back on the device. Once loaded, make sure to keep the device upright so that all the powder doesn't spill out into the bulb. Now you are ready to instill the powder into the ear. Have the patient tilt their head to the side and raise the device until the applicator is just at the edge of the ear canal. Give a gentle squeeze on the bulb. This gives a puff of air that forces a small amount of powder out of the opened capsule and down the applicator tube into the ear. Once a capsule is loaded into the device, be sure to store the insufflator upright in the vial provided or a glass. Also, check the label for storage requirements, as some ingredients require refrigeration. Each capsule will hold several doses depending on how the doctor has instructed you to use it. Keep an eye on the capsule through the applicator tip. Once the powder is gone, remove the empty capsule shell and replace it with a new one, just as we did in the beginning. We hope this has been helpful, but don't hesitate to reach out to our pharmacist if you have any questions about your prescription.